I'm Georgia Baventi with Thompson Engineering Company in Riverside, California. Thompson is the authorized distributor of the Ametek Rauland products in Riverside, San Bernardino, and Orange counties, and we've been serving our communities for over 50 years. Today we will be showing you the Administrative Communication Council associated with the Rauland Telecenter U, also known as the TCU, which is manufactured by Rauland in the United States. The TCU is a Bell public address, intercom, and life safety system. Due to its robust features and intuitive, user-friendly design, TCU is the most widely used critical communication system in the K-12 environment today. The system was created specifically to meet the standards set forth in ANSI NEMA SB 40-2015, Communications Systems for Life Safety in Schools. These standards grant assurance that your staff can quickly and effectively respond to either general or emergency communications. The unit features 4 scrolling buttons as 4 actions can be programmed per page, and there are 8 pages. With the touch of a button, any program action can be initiated. Some of the most common are all call, lock and unlock doors, and emergency initiation. When paired with the TCU message board and scrolling light, hearing impaired persons can be alerted that emergency has been initiated.
Attention staff and students. We are in a lockdown situation. Please follow all lockdown procedures.
To call an individual classroom, you simply dial the number. Notice the pre-announced tone to the classroom. When you are finished, you press the speaker button or you replace the handset. Councils can be placed anywhere. Typical locations are the front office admin desk and the principal and assistant principal's offices. From an everyday communication standpoint, think in terms of whomever is calling classrooms and making announcements. From an emergency perspective, you would want to place a council in the area designated for the front office staff to reside during a lockdown. This area is commonly the principal's office, the copier room, and sometimes the staff lounge. By placing a council in your lockdown area, you are essentially establishing a command center, thereby allowing you to remain in contact with your staff and students. Consider a scenario where a potential armed intruder has been reported on or near the property. The campus has just gone into lockdown and the administrative staff is in their designated safety spots. Now what? Your thoughts, of course, are on your staff and students that are not with you. You have confidence once the lockdown was initiated with your Telecenter U. The calm directive of the pre-recorded message was broadcast throughout the entire campus. Your monitoring company was alerted and help is on the way. The superintendent and relevant stakeholders have been sent a push notification, and the council will allow you to speak directly to your staff and students.
Attention, this is Principal Walker. Please silence your cell phones immediately. If you are safe, stay in position. Your parents have been notified and help is on the way.
If the campus is equipped with classroom call-in buttons, you will be able to see if a campus checks in during an emergency on the console, on the web user interface, and on the app. You can see that Classroom 102 has not checked in. Knowing this helps you understand where the situation may be migrating. This information is also available to district personnel through the web user interface and can aid in communication with first responders to quickly assess the situation and expedite the evacuation of the campus. When in lockdown mode, you are able to silently listen in to any classroom that has not checked in, allowing you to determine if the assailant is in the room. If the campus is equipped with classroom buttons, two-way communication may be initiated through the TCU speakers. Communication via ceiling or wall-mounted speakers, independent of the telephone system, is the cornerstone of ANSI NEMA SB 40-2015 K-12 Life Safety National Safety Standards. The TCU has local survivability if the overarching network goes down. Also, it is not subject to a receiver being off the cradle or a cord being pulled from the wall like a telephone. Because communication is through a centrally located speaker, the caller will have hands-free, unencumbered communication from anywhere in the room. If an emergency call were initiated from room 101, the staff at the front office would hear the call on the emergency console, and it would also be prioritized over a normal call, so they would know that they need to respond to this immediately. Thank you for watching this presentation on the Telecenter U Administrative Council. Please contact Thompson Engineering in Riverside, California if you would like more information or if you would like to schedule a live demonstration of the TCU.